What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. TechBox, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Miui 10 on your REDMI NOTE 4 or any other device which supports Miui 10 and has the ROM made for itself. And so if the ROM is ready, I'm going to try to link all those ROMs in the description for all the devices. There's going to be one link which will take you to an XIOAMI page, and there you can find the download links. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So yeah. So guys, before proceeding on, I wanted to tell you guys that there are two methods to install this ROM. First of all is using TWRP recovery, which is extremely easy. Just flash that ROM, no need to flash GApps, just flash that ROM with the TWRP recovery. It's a recovery.zip file. If you want to do it that way, I'm not going to do it that way because I think the other way, using the XIOAMI Mi tool, like the flash tool, it's better and it just gives me like a better feeling. I don't know why. I think it's just like a cleaner way to install a ROM. So yeah, I'm gonna do it that way. If you want to know the other way, it's pretty easy. Just like flash it like you would any other ROM. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, this is the link. It's an XDA thread. As you can see, Miui 10 global beta now available for 21 XIOAMI devices. And if you scroll down right here, you can see download links for Miui 10 global beta ROM. And so these are all the devices. I'll put this link down in the description. So as you can see, it says fast boot ROM and recovery ROM. I'm going to use the fast boot method, which I think it's a cleaner way of installing recovery. It's just simple using TWRP recovery. Just flash that file. No need to install any GApps because there's already all those files. So here's a quick look of these devices. So what you want to do is go ahead onto your which device you have, Redmi Note or Redmi 4A. So if you have this one, Redmi Note 4, click on fast boot ROM and just wait a second. As you can see, it says downloading. But wait, yeah, I've already downloaded this file, so I'm not gonna do it again. So let's cancel it. But just download it, the one that you need. So then you'll need to go ahead onto your computer. But before that, you'll need to put this device into fast boot mode, which I'm gonna show you right in a moment. So guys, as you can see, I'm recording now. I hope the voice is clear because it's the first time I'm recording with this. But anyways, so first thing you'll need to do is download this file, and then it's gonna be something like this, and then extract it. Oops. And then extract it, and then you're gonna come up with this file. And then obviously you'll need to install the XIOAMI Mi Flash tool, which you can download from the link below, and I'll be leaving that link down in the description, but I'm not going to open it for now. I'll leave that link in the description below. So then what you'll need to do is first of all you need to power off your device, disconnect it, and then as you can see it's and then just power it off, press the power off button, press it again, and then as you can see it's powering off, even though it does take some time. And then now there is no power. So yeah, now it's turned off. Then what you'll need to do is hold the volume down and the power button. And by the way, I just told you guys that I will be flashing this ROM, but no, sorry for that. I'm just going to show you how to flash it. So if I go here, then once it shows something like this, fast boot, and then just connect it, and then keep it connected, and then open the XIOAMI Mi Flash.exe and click yes. And then once it opens up, it should be something like this. Then you can click on refresh, and then it should show up your device right here. As you can see, it just does that. And then make sure that this folder, like the folder that you extracted is in a folder that does not have names in between. So for example, if I put this folder, like I create a new folder and click name it A space B, there's a space in between, and then I copy it from here to here. And then if I try to select that folder right here, and then this one, and then click on flash, as you can see it says flash done in a second, which is impossible. So make sure you're putting this file outside of any folder and just put it right directly on your desktop, and then close everything else, and then click on refresh again, and click on select, scroll down, select this file, click on OK, and click on refresh, and then it's gonna take around 500. No, before you then you click on refresh, and then as you can see there are some options right here: clean all and lock, save user data. You can click on save user data, and then it's gonna keep all of your downloads safe, and or click on clean all with everything cleaned, and clean all and lock. It's gonna lock your device. It doesn't matter whichever you choose. I would recommend choosing this one if you don't want to lose your data, because there's no other option if you not to lose data. And then click on this flash button, but I'm not gonna do that because I just installed a new ROM and I don't want to go back to Miui 10 for certain reasons. But anyways, you can click on flash, and do not worry, you can revert back to Miui 9 if you don't like it. Just the same way, download the fast boot ROM and then just flash it with this ROM if you don't like Miui 10. But anyways, as you can see, it says flash all except storage. Click on this flash button, and it's gonna take around 500 to 600 seconds depending on your PC and your smartphone or Android, your Redmi Note 4. If it's a 3GB RAM variant, it's gonna be a bit slower. So yeah, once you click on flash, once that flashing is done, it's gonna reboot and boot into the main screen, which is the setup screen. It's gonna say Miui 10, like the 10 logo that Miui 10 has. But if it doesn't, and if it just gets stuck, you can just power it off, hold the power button and volume up button to boot into the recovery, and click on wipe all, and then just continue with that procedure, and then yeah, that's gonna work. And that's what happened to me the previous time anyways. So yeah, that's about this video. So guys, that's about this video. I hope you like Miui 10 and you enjoy using it, because once you've installed this, you need to update to the latest version just using the normal system update option, and then you'll get the portrait mode option in the Google camera app. So yeah, if you want to proceed on this, not proceed on. So yeah, that's about this video. So this was Alhamid from Mr. Tech Boss signing off, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.